In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free personal portfolio with Framer, step by step. Even if you've never built a website before, this is a great way to showcase your work, your skills, your experience, and your contact information without needing to code or pay for expensive hosting. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Framer in your browser. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to sign up or log in to your account. If you already have a Framer account, just sign in as usual. If you're new, create a free account so you can start building right away. Framer makes this process very beginner friendly, so you can get started in just a few moments. After you're logged in, look for the option to create a new project. Click New Project to begin. This is where Framer gives you a few choices, and for a personal portfolio, the easiest option is to start with a portfolio template. A template gives you a ready-made structure, so you don't have to design every section from scratch. If you want complete freedom, you can also start with a blank project, but for most people, a portfolio template is the fastest way to get professional results. Once you select your template, Framer will open the editor and show you the full layout of your site. At this point, your job is to replace the example content with your own information. Go through each section carefully and update the text so it reflects your personal brand. Add your name, your headline, a short bio, your skills, your projects, and any contact details you want visitors to see. If the template includes images, swap those out for your own photos, profile picture, or project screenshots. This is the part where your portfolio starts to feel unique and personal. As you edit, try to keep your layout simple and clear. A strong portfolio usually includes a hero section at the top, an about section, a project section, and a contact section. You can also add links to your social profiles, resume, or GitHub if that matches your goals. Framer makes it easy to click on any element and change the text, spacing, colors, and visuals without needing technical skills. Take your time and make sure everything looks polished and easy to read. If you want your portfolio to look more professional, focus on consistency. Use the same fonts throughout the site, choose colors that match your personal style, and make sure your buttons are easy to find. Keep your wording short and confident. Your portfolio should help people understand who you are and what you do within just a few seconds. That first impression matters a lot, especially if you're using this site to apply for jobs, freelance work, or collaborations. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish in Framer and then choose the free Framer subdomain option. This is what allows you to put your portfolio online without buying your own domain right away. Framer will generate a live website address for you, and once it's published, anyone with the link can view your portfolio. Before you finish, preview your site one more time to check for spelling errors, broken links, or anything that looks off. Make sure your contact button works, your projects are displayed properly, and your page looks good on both desktop and mobile. A quick final review can make a big difference in how professional your portfolio feels. And that's it. You've just created a free personal portfolio with Framer. You now have a clean, modern website that you can share with employers, clients, or anyone who wants to see your work. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.